Hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to sell your design on Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to upload your design and you'll be able to sell it for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto printful.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here, you're going to select the platform that you would like to sell your design on. You have quite a few options when it comes onto Printful. So you could go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Stores. After you have tapped on Stores, for example, you can see that I have an Etsy store connected. I also have a Shopify store and also an Ecwid store. So that is just an example to show you that there are 3 different platforms that I currently have designs listed on. So all you will need to do is simply scroll down and you are going to tap on Choose Platform. After you have tapped on Choose Platform, you will see all of the e-commerce platforms that you can incorporate Printful and you can start selling on. So you have Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, Walmart, Webflow, all of these options right here. You can connect to Amazon also if you want, Webull, Big Cartel, better yet, eBay, TikTok Shop, all of these platforms as you can see right here, Gumroad. There are numerous options that you can choose from. Once you have selected a platform, so let's say for example you have selected Etsy. All you would need to do is simply tap on Add Product right beside Etsy. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you are going to select the product that you would like to add your design to. And you have numerous options. For example, you can select men's clothing, and then from there you can see different subcategories. So I could select polo shirts, for example. You can also select women's clothing, and you could sell leggings, t-shirts. There are numerous options that you can choose from. You can also sell home decor items if you want. So the choice is crazy. You can choose any one of these if you want. So let's say, for example, I were to select this one right here. After you have selected the product, from here you will now be prompted to upload your design. If you haven't created your design as yet, a platform that I would recommend that you use is Canva. And with Canva, you'll be able to create stunning designs for completely free, even as a beginner. All you'll need to do is go onto canva.com, and from there you can tap on the search bar and you could type in t-shirt like what I have done. Then you can scroll down and you can see numerous templates that you can use for completely free. Keep in mind that the templates that you see with the crown that says Pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can use for free. For example, you can see a nice one right there, and you can scroll down and you will see more that will catch your eye. After you have found a template that you like, you'll simply tap on it. Then you are going to tap on Customize this template. And once on the new page, from there you can change any section you want. So for example, let's say I wanted to change this section. I could simply change it to 2024. You could change the text by simply double tapping on the text. So let's say, for example, I want to change the text right here to simple answers. I could do that, simply type in, and you can see right there, the text has now changed. So you can see right there, you can edit any section you want. So you can change any section you want real quick. After you're finished making the changes, you could tap on Share in the top right hand corner, then tap on Download, then tap on Download once more, and you have now downloaded your design. Then you would go back into Printful and you can tap on Uploads from the left hand menu option. Once you have tapped on Uploads, from here you can see a few guidelines that you will read. After you have read the guidelines, if it is to your liking, you can tap on Upload once more. Then from there, you can add your design. So let's say, for example, I wanted to use this design. I will simply select it. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can choose that you like it to be large center. You could do that right there. You can add it to the left sleeve if you want, or the right sleeve if you want. But I'll leave it as is on the left chest, as you can see right there. Then from there, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on continue, you'll be redirected to the mockup page. And the mockup option is basically the pictures that customers will see when they go onto the product page. So you can choose custom mockups, and from there you could create your own mockup images and add them. Or you could select basic mockups, and you can select from the preloaded mockups that Printful has. So you can see them right there. These are the ones that I'll be using, and I'll tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can edit the text right here, which is the product title. So I could name it, for example, Simple Answers. And then from there, you can tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on continue, from here you'll be able to set your price. After you have set your price, you can choose to increase the retail price by a percentage. So let's say, for example, 20%. Then you'll tap on set, and you can see that it has been increased right there. Then you can tap on submit to store. After you have tapped on submit to store, you're going to give it a few seconds while the product is being added. For example, if I were to scroll down, you can see that the product is being added right there. Once the product has been added, you can tap on edit in Etsy right below the product, and then from there you can continue with the upload. And all of the information that is necessary for the upload would have already been added to your Etsy store. And if it is a case that you had choose to upload your design onto Shopify, you will realize that your Shopify product page is also fully customized. So for example, if I were to tap on edit in Etsy, you can see some other listings that I had created using Printful. So all I would need to do is simply tap right here, and by tapping there, you can see that the mockup images has been added, as you can see there. And by scrolling down, you can also see that the respectful information has also been filled in. So all I would need to do is tap on save and continue, and then from there I'll be able to set up the payment. Another thing that I want you to also pay attention to, once on Printful, you can see that I've created more than one products. And if it is a case that you'd like to also do this, all you need to do is go over to product catalog, and from here you can browse other items that you can add your design to. And as I was saying earlier, you can create more than one store. So you could tap on stores, and instead of only adding your products to Etsy, you could add them to Shopify also. So you can create your standalone Shopify store, which you can promote even more. And if you would like to customize your products even further, I would recommend that you tap on branding from the left-hand menu option. And from here, you'll be able to customize your order tracking page. You'll also be able to customize your packaging slip, and you can also customize the thank you card that your customers will be receiving. If you have found this tutorial helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and thank you for watching.